Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your color in CapCut PC. Select your photo and go to AI Stylize, enable style, and go to the hair salon tab. It is a pro feature, but here you can basically change your hair color to any of them that you like. Berry pink, mint green, dark blue, pumpkin, honey blonde, ash blonde, chocolate, and pure white. Unfortunately, I cannot show you guys because of it. It used to be an effect, I think, but I think they removed it because they wanted to make it into a style instead of an effect. But I feel like you can use some other effects for it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.